for a fresh new season, and a lot of people have actually compared that show to one of my favorite shows, not one of my favorite shows, but also one of our favorite shows, the world's favorite shows, Friends. So that is like I feel very nice and proud that actually people love Casey Arias so much. So I'm glad. Anyway, so that's where your answer is for season 4. And well, let's say, what else? Hi Nidhi, how are you? What's up? So Anupri, hi everyone, Kasauti fans, of course. I'm sure you guys must be wanting to see more of Anurag or something of that sort. Very sorry for that, but yeah, I had a great time working on Kasauti also. And whoever has watched and loved Anupri, that is Anurag and Prerna, I'm sure that you guys must be wanting more of it. But yes, I'm very glad that Erica is doing something season 3 for her, the show that she had done prior to Kasauti. And I wished her all the very best, and I'm so happy for her. And I'm sure the show would do really good because the pairing was really nice, the chemistry was really nice for the show. That's what I'd heard, and there was a good amount of fans that loved the show. So I'm sure she will get a lot of love and appreciation for that. What else? Uh, anything else apart from people please take my name and all, because I don't understand the logic of taking your names. I mean, please, there are so many people. How can I take individual names? I'm really sorry for that. So what else? If people want to ask any sort of questions, please go ahead. I'm sure I will try to answer. Oh yes, someone actually praising Hero. Thank you so much for actually appreciating. And yes, if I'm not wrong, I came live during Hero, but post that I couldn't come. So here I am, and thank you so much for your appreciation. I'm glad that you guys liked it and loved it, and actually did a lot of trending also. I was very much aware of that you guys were active on Twitter. Unfortunately, I wasn't, and for some reasons I don't know. I can't tell you guys, but nothing scary. But yeah, it's really stupid. But yeah, I'm glad that you guys were making it trend. Not only the show, but also the characters and the release date and everything, the build up. So you guys did your part, and I'm so grateful, and thank you so much to all the Parthians who were always there to support the show, to love the show. And I'm sure that you guys enjoyed the show, and hopefully there should be season 2 as well, so that you could enjoy more of it. So yeah, let's see. Well, Nancy is asking me when am I getting married. So I don't know. I mean, do I look like marriage material? I don't think so. Eh, I can't handle myself. I'm not a responsible person. How will I be responsible for another person? No, I'm just kidding. But it's just that it's not the right time for me, and I'm sure there would be someone for me special. So let's see as time goes. If it's in your destiny, you will get married. Yeah, I can't believe that I'm saying that, but yeah, somewhere right now I'm not giving marriage as any sort of priority for now. Anyway, so what else? Any sort of other questions that people want to hit me? Please hit me up, and I will try to answer. Hi Ramisha, there I took your name. What's your next project? So yeah, I've clearly answered that it's a web show, and it will be for a short time, and it's a good show. It's a big show, and it'll be happening soon. It didn't happen because of the current scenario, unfortunately, in India, and safety is what matters right now, and we have to be really safe. So we were actually trying to make sure that the shoot happens very smoothly, and that should obviously happen in when we have our peace of mind. So hopefully this month things should resolve and we should get back to normalcy, and very soon we'll be able to shoot again. Why do I call Hina madam? Um well, actually, I really, to be honest, I have a certain admiration towards women and to all the ladies, and that's how I address people. It's not just Hina, but I address every other female or every other girl with madam, because that's something that I feel that it's that I should respect, and that's my habit. I mean, that's my way to address people, address girls. So there's nothing personal about it, and of course, apart from that, as a person, Hina is a very courageous and strong human being, and I love her for that, and I totally respect her. I admire the way she carries herself, and the way she's confident about herself. And of course, there was a tough time that she was going through, and I truly understand how it is. And I'm sure she is in a better place right now, and she's resumed back to her work. And I wish her all the very best for that. What else? Jonna Pratima. Thank you, Jonna. Thank you so much. Scarlett, I don't know whether you messaged me or no, but people are saying that you messaged me. If I've lost it, I'm really sorry, but there are too many messages just flowing. So if you're there, hi Scarlett, what's up? If you're there, just reply. I hope you're doing good, and I shall see you very soon in Goa. And yeah, I mean, I heard something about Goa also. The weather's being really bad, acting really weird, and I hope everything's good right now. And also the cases and everything regarding COVID. And please, if you get your appointment, whoever is there in India, please get yourself vaccinated. It's for your safety. It's for your family's safety. Excuse me. When am I coming back? Scarlett is asking me. So yeah, Scarlett, I'm coming this month end, and well, yeah, there's a month to go, and I don't know. I mean, let's see. If situation is really good, then I will plan it as soon as possible. But I just hope that situation actually becomes better with time. Mahir is asking, can you come to Bangladesh once? Yes, I would love to come to Bangladesh, because that's a region I've been actually listening to, especially Dhaka. I've been listening to since Yaria times, and there's a huge chunk of fans over there who's been watching KC Yaria since the longest time and have liked my work. So I would love to go over there. So please, guys, invite me if it's possible. I would love to come over there and meet you and have a nice fan meet and greet and everything, and would like to spend time with you. So yeah, please, if I get a chance, please invite me. Thank you so much for everyone, and anything else that you would want to ask me or something, please go ahead. I've been trying to understand your questions and trying to answer whatever I can. For now, in US, I'm just on a break right now, and I'm just focusing on my health, and making sure that I become a better person uh, in terms of physical, the way I look physically, and I'm just making sure that I kind of sort of gain confidence, because I don't know whether you guys must have seen my recent posts on Instagram. It must be about fitness, it must be about confidence, it must be about happiness. So yeah, sometimes I feel that when you start focusing on your health and looking after yourself, you tend to become more confident and happy, and the way you carry yourself and the way your agility is, your flexibility is, it becomes nice, and it reaches to a certain level where you are also very internally confident about it. So yeah, amongst all sorry, I missed that question. I don't know. Your dance reel was amazing. Well, let's see. I mean, over here, I'm just, again, like you guys, also cutting my time. So, just trying something new. Dancing, yes, there would be something more also apart from dancing. I'm making some more reels for you guys. And dancing also, I'll try to do something if I find very interesting. I would love to dance more on it. And there will be soon more videos coming on it. Sonal share favorite food. So